How to text people or send messages in TikTok. If any day you are a TikTok user and you would like to text the people or send the messages to people in the TikTok but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very TikTok application on your mobile device. You also need to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, that may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection. After that, you have to launch the very TikTok application. For that, after finding TikTok application, you have to tap on TikTok application like this, and then TikTok application will be launched on your very mobile device. Now, in order to send the messages to the people, what you can do is you can tap on the profile of the person like this, and after that, you can see the option of a send a waving like this. That is the message option, and here you can send any of the messages like this. And if here you can send any of the messages, here is the option of sending a message, and you can send a message to any of the person in the TikTok like this. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.